All right, good morning, everybody. It is Tuesday, a little bit after 8. All right, the only thing I have on right now, I just went ahead and ordered NYCB. I don't have anything else on NYCB. I am in at 919, and I am holding right now. 919 and holding. And let's take a look at the indices. I'm just getting started this morning, so I haven't even looked at these indices. Let's see what the indices are doing. And we still have about 27 minutes here before the opening bell. All right, I'm going to take a look here at... Okay, I want to look at RTY real quick here. Not seeing any. Okay, RTY, which is the mini Russell. Not seeing anything on the mini Russell. All right, let's look at the mini NASDAQ. I have been really good to us recently. NASDAQ, mini NASDAQ, NQ. ES, nothing there either.
IBIO.
I don't see anything on the yes. Let's get that off from yesterday. Gold. Not seeing anything on gold. Natural gas. Not seeing anything either. Natural gas either. And finally, let's look at crude oil. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything on crude oil either. All right. All right, let's watch YNCB. Still on YNCB. All right, let's look at some targets here. Okay, so right now I have and let's see here. I'll look at DPST real quick here. DPST. You know what? DPST could come up to 916.
IBIO.
I'm going to keep it on that. I don't want to jump in that right now. Okay. NYCB. All right. Close to first target, 930.
JDST.
All right, we hit first target. Second target, it's going to be 39. 939. Wow. 9. Okay, get it. Okay, have another pattern. 951. Okay, we're hitting a wall of sellers up here around 933. Let's see how we handle it up here at 933. Yeah, good morning, Cam. All right, so we are long NYCB, in at 919.
CFRX.
QNCX, wow. QNCX, I could see closest target on QNCX is going to be 152. 152. I am not in C. I am in only NYCB. All right, let's see what that's doing here. Yeah, QNCX, you're running into some sellers up here at 150. All right.
DPST.
More buyers coming in on NYCB, still long NYCB. Next target up is going to be 939, 939. Yep, sellers coming in around 924, 942, 945. These little dots you see here, that's volume. The red are sellers, the greens are buyers. Had a little burst of selling going on right there. NYCB still long. Good morning, Glenn.
JDST.
Want to be really careful today. We do have that FOMC meeting coming out tomorrow. They're going to be discussing interest rates. What are they going to do? Are they going to keep them? Are they going to just not touch them, or are they going to cut them? If they raise them, we're going to have more banks closing probably. So everybody's eyes are going to be on that meeting tomorrow, FOMC. So I'm going to be real cautious about what I'm trading. Going to not go too heavy. $9.39. Watching $9.39. So this is 10 seconds. Let me look at. I'm going to take a look at 60 minutes and see what's going on. Look at all that buying coming in. Heavy buying coming in. 945. Getting more sellers up here. 945. 12,000. Okay, so let's see what we're doing here. Getting more here, 939. 39 is where I'm targeting. Still in at 919. It's the only trade I have on so far today. Wow, very nice. Okay, so you bought QNCX 23, got out at 40. Wow, that is awesome. Awesome. Let's look at QNCX. I did have another target up there for you. Have one of our students who is long QNCX, did extremely well. Wow, I'll tell you what, we could.
DPST.
I've got another target here for you for CNTX. Let's take a look here real quick here. 14. Cam, I can see it going on up to, I've got another, let's see, 52. Man, I've got a couple targets at 52. 52 seems to be pretty solid. And look where you got a wall of sellers coming in around 50. So yeah, 52 looks pretty solid on QNCX. That's probably gonna be an ideal target. I've got to watch NYCB. Next target is 39. I do have my hand now on the trigger to get out. I'm going to be watching it. 939. Probably not going to get too aggressive today. This may be my one and only stock trade today. I don't want to overdo it today. I overdid a little bit yesterday, got a little bit too aggressive, and the problem is right now with that FOMC meeting coming out tomorrow, markets are going to be a little jittery, so I want to be careful here and not get stuck into anything here. So got some good selling coming in up here. Still 939. Let's see how we handle it in here. I'm going to back out a little bit. I'm going to look at a 60-minute. Heavy. Look at all that heavy buying coming in. A little bit of selling coming in. Nothing to... You have to get out. So I'm going to watch this once again. On the longer time frame, we have some selling coming in around 944. So what we're seeing here is this is buying. Once again, the bigger the green, the more buying we have going on, more green buyers taking over.
DTC.
And as we get darker in color, that means we have more sellers up here. So you can see we have a little bit of orange up here around 944. Got a good sized lot up here. 12,000 at 944. Wow. All right, let's see what we do here. Good, bro. I'm going to go ahead and let's get a little quiet here. I'm going to go ahead and take my profit. I got a nice profit out of NYCB. So I am flat. Going to go back over here and I'm going to take a look at my indices. Everything is up this morning right now. We have the small Dow's up 305. 305. Okay, I'm getting close to a buy in the gold. Let's take a look at gold. All right, I like a buy here on gold. If we can come up to 1969. 1969. Go ahead, let's mark that in yellow. 1969. I want to buy the gold up here. I'll put an alert here so I don't miss it. 1969. Once again, let's be a little careful today. Let's not get too aggressive. Anybody else see anything out there that they like? I'm glad to take a look at it. 69 gold. Gonna look at 60 first. Nothing there. Let's break it down a little bit more. Okay, gold just triggered. I'm gonna go ahead and buy gold. Did it just trigger? Yes, gold just triggered. Buying gold. All right. Okay, first target on gold. It's going to be 1972. $3 move. 1972. Just going for a $3 move. 1972 on gold. That is going to be my profit target. That's why I'll go ahead and take my profit. If for some reason I need to reverse on gold, won't be until we come down around 63. Okay, so this particular pattern that we're in right now is called a pairing pattern. We're in the pairing pattern buy. If I have to reverse, and I reverse at 63 to put me into what we call an HF1 short. HF1, 2, and 3 in pairing are all four patterns that I'm looking at. Once I get a pattern that sets up for a buy or sell, we look at Einstein. Einstein will project out how far it looks like the move's going to go, and then we'll, based on that, we'll go ahead and put in our trade. Let me see if I have any other levels up here on gold. I do like to stick to that first level on gold. Come on, gold. And charts are slow this morning. All right, let's see what's going on with gold here. I like to just look. I am going to get out that first level. I'm just going for a $3 move on gold. We could go, let's see, I also have a... What else do I have in gold? Gold. All right, so I'm going for 72. I also have a 72.60. Excuse me, I'll be right back.
INZY.
Okay. All right, I'm back. Okay, the only thing I have on now is gold. Just long gold. Don't have anything else on. No stocks. Natural gas. Not seeing anything on natural gas. Crude oil. Not seeing anything on crude oil.
IBIO.
Okay, got the Dow up 300, 309.
ITO. CFRX. SFT. DSGE. JDST. JDST. WEBL. DTC. JDST. WEBL.
WEBL was another one that was moving the other day. Just take a brief look at it. Wow. Don't think I'd want to touch WEBL in just a wall of sellers. Heavy selling going on. 92, 93, 94, 95. Let's look at JDST. JDST, one of my favorites.
CFRX.
I don't see anything in JDST that I really like.
JDST.
Don't want to get into JDST yet.
DPS.
Not liking what I'm seeing on the charts here. Yeah, we're getting a spike. JDST, 361,000 on volume.
DPST.
Bid-ask spread is good, only a penny.
DPST, CFRX, SFT.
You're back in QNCX.
WEBL. JDST.
Be careful on QNCX. QNCX.
SFT.
I still have a target sitting up there at 52. 152?
WEBL.
Oh, 41. Hold on a second. QNCX. Yeah, 52. 152.
JDST.
Got to get through this wall. You get through this wall of sellers here, you could be on your way up to 52. Also have another level just popped up. Let's take a look at this. What is this new level? Wow, okay. It's going to show, wow, it's hitting 52. Hitting the same level, 52. Two patterns hitting the same level. I do have one up here at 64. That's a little further out. That could take a while. 64.
DTC.
Okay, let's check on, let's see what gold's doing here. All right. Made one trade on stocks, NYCB. I'm out of that. I am long gold.
AMAN. DTC.
Looking at silver. Silver's pretty quiet. Yeah, Kim, I think that was smart getting out of that.
DTC.
Once again, reversal on gold is 63, still long gold. This is a really good entry on gold. I'm gonna put a little bit more on gold. This is still gonna be the same stop.
DTC.
So I'm buying more gold. Still looking for a target of 72. Reversal 63. Bought some down here at 65 and a half. 1965 and a half.
IVIO. IMAN.
Okay, so look, what's telling me that buyers or sellers are coming in? So okay, so basically this, what you're seeing up here is called book map. Basically, it's like a, they call it like a level 3. So you're seeing level 2, level 3. So in other words, these big dots here, the bigger the dot, the more sellers. On red, the bigger the dot. On green, the more buyers. But look at, but these lines, as these horizontal lines get drawn here, the darker the color, like red, means you have more sellers. So you can see you have a big order on DPST. At 906, you've got a 14,000 share trying to sell it at 906. But if you come down here and you look at buyers, look at 894. You only have 6,000 buyers. So you got a lot more selling going on up here, right? So the idea is that when you hit this wall up here, you're gonna start seeing some selling. It could push prices down unless we break through this wall. I don't see anything on the downside, but I do see a lot of selling interest in DPST up here. So that probably would not be an area I would want to be buying in. I would watch it. If you're long, I'd be looking to take profit. But it just kind of gives you a visible representation of where the lot sizes are, where the orders are. And so I like to look at that in terms of if I have a buy pattern setting up, and I've got and let's say I have some levels. Let's say I had some levels. I was long and I had some targets up here in Einstein around let's say 906, 909. I'd see this wall right here. I'd get really careful about just getting out. I may not wait for 909, 906. If we have some sizable orders coming in on the short. Now, if I don't see anything there, then maybe I can go up even higher if I have more levels higher than 906 or 909. So, all right, I want to watch this gold. Let's see what's going on with gold. I don't have any stocks on right now. One trade, NYCB. Don't have anything on the currencies. Currencies have been kind of choppy, so nothing on the currencies. So I'm already out of NYCB. That was a smart move. So I had a target up there at 30, and then I had another one at 39. I got out up here above 30. And it looks like it's pulling back. Boom. But I'm going to keep an eye on it. Could provide me with another opportunity to get in, but right now I'm staying out of that. EDBL was one that was kind of on my radar, watching EDBL.
RKDA.
EDBL looks like it may want to go higher. I could see EDBL coming up to volume's decent, 3-cent spread, bid ask. I could see it coming up to 430.
IBIO.
Reverse sell. Okay, I think we just reversed on gold. We did. Okay, so we're reversed on. I am getting out of this gold. I'm taking this HF1 short, reversing on my buy.
IBIO.
All right. Let's look at gold real quick. Just reversed on the gold, was long, reversed, took a loss on the buy. Now reverse went short. Let's get a target on the downside.
JDST.
All right, already hit first target. One additional target. Reversed at 63. $3 move brings us down to 60.
JDST.
Okay, let's watch this gold. Boy, heavy selling coming in on gold. I'm going to see if I can carry this down to 55.
JDST.
All right, we reversed on our gold. We're short gold.
JDST. JDST.
See what my JDST keeps popping up. JDST. I don't think these charts are moving. Hold on a second. I think I'm having trouble again with the stream. It's getting frustrating.
JDST. IBIO.
There we go. That's better. I don't know why this thing keeps locking up. But now we gotta, that's much, much better. All right, JDST. I'm watching JDST. That's one of my favorites, but I'm not seeing anything in here that I really like. Big, heavy buying coming in, though. I can see some heavy buying coming on JDST. Let's look at gold, though. I am short. My gold. Yeah, reds are sellers. That's right. Reds are sellers. I've got to watch it for some reason. This app I'm using locks up on the screens, and I don't know why. But anyway, I think we're back live. No, see, it is still locking up. It is. There's something going on. I don't know what's going on with the screen, guys.
JDST.
I may have to go to a different streaming software because it is not showing. You guys are not. Glenn, what do you see on your side? You're not showing. Are you showing? You're not showing gold. You should be showing gold, and you're not showing gold.
IBIO.
Just refreshed again. Let's see if that helps it. Yeah, see, it's still not working. Sorry, guys. I don't know what's going on with the stream, but charts aren't changing. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. I'm gonna have to find a better solution because it is still locking up for some reason. I know the live room is seeing the charts, but what the folks on YouTube are not seeing the charts. That's not good. Yeah, it's weird. I don't know what's going on with that. Pathan, I did not get any email from you. Email me again. I did not see any email. Sorry about that. Or you can ask your questions here. We'd be glad to answer them for you.
IBIO. IBIO.
Okay, the only thing I have on now, I'm still short gold.
IBIO.
Glenn, can you hear me at least? Can you hear my voice? That's the weirdest thing.
CFRX.
Cam, you can see the charts okay? You guys in the live room can still see the charts all right? Yeah, they're fine in live. It's just something, I don't know why it keeps locking up, but it's not moving at all. Glenn, I believe that that gentleman had a question. I didn't see an email from him. Maybe you can reach out to him and see what his question is. Okay, so gold coming down a little bit.
DTC.
Man, that is so weird. I don't really get that.
WEBL.
Glenn, were you seeing the charts yesterday? You were seeing the charts yesterday, weren't you? Weren't they updating yesterday on YouTube?
JDST.
All right, gold's on the move down. I'm going to start getting out of my gold. Okay, I'm out of gold. I'm flat on gold now, so I don't have anything on. I'm going to look at some of these looking at some of these indices. I don't have anything on the mini Russell. Don't have anything on the mini Dow. Don't have anything on the mini NASDAQ. Out of gold, took profit on gold after that reversal. Maybe a buy coming up on natural gas. Already in a long, crude is already in a buy. I don't have anything on crude. Gonna make a note here to enter on natural gas. I'm going to keep my eye on natural gas. Maybe get a buy on natural gas. Yeah, find out where he's from. Is he in the States? Out of the States? Maybe he can ask his question right now. Let him know. We'd be glad to answer. I can hold off. I can hold. We're at the top of the hour, Glenn. But if you want to hang, Glenn, I'm gonna keep it on a little bit longer. The stream. See if he can go ahead and see what his questions are. I'm flat. I don't have anything on right now. I am watching natural gas. Don't have anything yet. But if natural gas comes up to 2201, I'm going to be a buyer.
WEBL. WEBL.
Yeah, everything was working fine. Glenn, are you still out there? I'm gonna hang tight a little bit here, see if we can get that question answered. And I cannot, for some reason, get the streaming working. So I am gonna have to find a different solution, because this is driving me nuts. I will have the end of the day recap, so I'll be able to go over these two trades. Okay, so buying natural gas. All right. So I just bought natural gas. I'll see if we can't get this up to 22.31. This is going to be a pairing pattern buy with a reversal at 21.41. Glenn, you want to answer his question? Have him send an email directly to contact at innovativetradingstrategies.com. Contact at innovativetradingstrategies.com. And I'll check that and see if I get the gentleman's email. All right, Glenn. Well, I think that hopefully he'll be able to get a hold of me and I can answer all his questions. Let's go ahead and let's wrap it up. We're 5 after, so I apologize for the transmission. I don't know what's going on. Everything looks good on this side, but for some reason I refreshed everything and we're still not getting updated on the charts. But at least you can hear the voice here. I'll do a recap, of course, at the end of the night, so we'll take a better look at these trades I've made. Once again, I was in NYCB for a buy, exited there. I came in long gold, reversed and went short. Took a loss on my buy, but reversed and went short, took profit on the short. And the only thing I have on right now is I'm long natural gas. All right. He may be out of the country, Glenn. See if he's out of the country. Maybe that's the problem.
JDST.
Okay, we're going to have to wrap it up. So let's go ahead and wrap it up. And I've got to find a solution here so this doesn't happen again. All right. Glenn, I appreciate it. Thanks for all your help, sir. Hopefully that gentleman will get through. We can go ahead and answer all his questions. And for everybody else out there, be careful. We got FOMC meeting coming out tomorrow. So that's where they discuss interest rates. Are they gonna leave everything where it's at? Are they gonna come in and lower them, or are they gonna raise them? I hope they don't try to raise them again. But everybody is watching and waiting to see what they're gonna do. So be careful. The markets can be quite volatile today. All right. All right, everybody, have a good day. Once again, Glenn, thank you so much for your help, buddy. We'll see everybody hopefully first thing tomorrow morning. Take care.